In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your text in Google Sheets. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly adjust the look of your data using the toolbar and how to dive a little deeper using the Format menu for more detailed options. Let's start with the fastest and most common way to format text, using the toolbar. First, open your Google Sheet and select the cell or range of cells that you want to change. You can click and drag to highlight multiple cells or use keyboard shortcuts like holding Shift and using the arrow keys to select a larger area. Once your cells are selected, look toward the top of the screen at the toolbar. Here, you'll see drop-down menus for font and size. Click the Font drop-down to switch between different font families like a clean sans serif or a more traditional serif. Right next to that, use the Size drop-down to make your text larger or smaller, depending on how important that information is on your sheet. Next, you'll see the style icons, B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. These are handy for drawing attention to headers, totals, or important notes. Just click once to apply the style to your selected cells and click again to turn it off. You'll also find options for color. The text color icon looks like the letter A with a bar underneath it. Use this to change the color of your text, which can help group similar items or highlight warnings. Beside it, the fill color icon looks like a little paint bucket. This controls the background color of your cells, making it easy to visually separate different sections of your sheet. Finally, on the toolbar, you have alignment controls. Horizontal alignment lets you align text to the left, center, or right within a cell. Vertical alignment controls whether the text sits at the top, middle, or bottom of the cell. These tools are especially useful for titles, labels, or cells with multiple lines of text. Now, if you want more detailed control, you can use the Format menu. Again, start by selecting the cells you want to change. Then, move to the top menu bar and click on Format. A list of submenus will appear. Under the text section, you'll find options similar to the toolbar, like bold, italic, underline, and strike-through, along with font, size, and text color. This is a good place to make sure all your text settings are consistent. Under the cell section, you can adjust, fill color, add or edit borders, and fine-tune alignment. This helps you create clear tables and separate different areas of your data. Lastly, under Number and Custom Number, you can choose how numbers are displayed. You can format cells as currency, dates, or set them to plain text if you want numbers to behave like regular text, which is useful for things like ID codes or phone-style entries.